I had met somebody from a dating app. The blunder I did was I agreed to meet over dinner. No, where you wake up with this fear that oh my god, am I going to be alone all my life? One video with my brother, ये मैं उसको उसके पीछे पिछले साल से पड़ी हुई हूँ. Just finding a person and getting married isn't the answer to all your problems. Hi guys, what's up? It's me Aarti. Welcome to a brand new video on this channel. And आज finally a Q&A जिसमें ना मैं makeup लगा रही हूँ, ना मैं ready हो रही हूँ. I just wanted to sit here and do a very chill question answer जो मैं पहले करती थी. And yeah, हो सकता है थोड़ा सा लंबा हो, so go grab something to munch. And we will start answering your questions in no particular order. सबसे पहला सवाल है from आशा होतुलकर. What are your thoughts on teenage YouTubers? Is it good that they have started their own career or is it too early? What is your opinion? यार बहुत सारे teenage YouTubers है today. Like so many of these creators on YouTube, on Instagram and creating fabulous content. What are my thoughts? I feel I'm in awe of these people. जब मैं इनका content देखती हूँ, so many on Instagram, I'm like, that level of creativity and you know like intelligent creative content at that age, I was like wow, I wasn't this smart at their age. Very anti thoughts I have, like really cool stuff. So I feel great. And एक और चीज़ मुझे लगती है, for everybody in their teens and early 20s or whatever, this entire generation is so lucky that they have this whole outlet of expression like through social media platforms. I feel पहले के ज़माने में कितने सारे लोग होते थे, उनको कितना कुछ करने का मन करता था, but they didn't know where to go, what to do. So I think social media is a boon that way. I feel great about them. Is it good that they have started their own career too early? You can never say that for anybody. हर एक की life journey जो है बहुत ही unique और individual होती है. तो कुछ लोगों के लिए it could work out in their favor, कुछ लोगों के लिए it might not. They might do it for a few years, move on to something else. पर me commenting on is it a good or bad thing makes no sense. ये उनको उनके लिए जानना है कि is it working for them or not. Second question is from Yukta Palekar. How is your bond with your brother? And can you do one video with your brother? But why are you yelling, Yukta? Why is all this in caps? Okay, my bond with my brother. So me and my brother have been like, पहले तो हमारे बीच में 7 साल का age gap है, ठीक है? तो all my life I have pretty much a lot of years I have been like I have mothered him because मुझे ऐसे लगता था बहुत छोटा है, तो I would always be that kind of a person. Like I would be like a typical elder sister. Of course protective and of course bossy also. But I think later, like in the later years of my 20s and his teens, we pretty much became like friends. So my bond with my brother is very friendly. And yeah, I pretty much used to share everything with him. Yeah, almost everything. Office की बातें, friends की बातें, relationships की बातें, dates की बातें. He knows everybody I've dated, been in relationships with, all the stories. So that's the kind of bond. One video with my brother, ये मैं उसके पीछे पिछले साल से पड़ी हुई हूँ. But he is a camera shy person and he does not like facing the camera. So अगर तो I also don't want to push him to do it. Like whenever he is at ease about this तो कर लेंगे, पर मुझे उस पर कोई प्रेशर नहीं डालना. अब जब मैं ये सब शूट कर रही हूँ तो वो यहाँ होता हमारे साथ मुंबई में तो easily capture हो जाता vlogs में. But him being in Canada and me here and doing a Zoom call, so all of that he doesn't want to do so much. इसलिए I'm not doing that. Next one is from Ankita_07. Tips on how to stay energetic throughout the day. I am not energetic throughout the day, Ankita, and I don't think anybody can be energetic throughout the day. Your day, हर दिन भर में भी तुम्हारे energy levels change होते हैं. Like I feel you feel pretty energetic till you've had lunch. Lunch के बाद मैं ऐसी थोड़ी सी sluggish हो जाती हूँ. अभी भी ये वीडियो मैं post lunch shoot कर रही हूँ, so I'm energetic. पर otherwise अगर मैं shoot नहीं कर रही होती तो either I would be sitting and trying to do some research या edit कर रही होती तो मेरी मतलब थोड़ी सी झपकी लग जाती है lunch के बाद. So it's impossible, yeah. You have to figure out for yourself, everybody, कि कौन सा part of the day you feel your maximum energy in and most active in and you're in a great mood in. कुछ लोगों के लिए वो होता है सुबह का वक्त, सुबह के पहले कुछ घंटे. कुछ लोगों के लिए उनकी एनर्जी मतलब दिन खत्म होते आती है. So you have to identify what works the best for you and then try to get whatever is your most important work, like try to get it done in that period. Hela's Land says, what are you binging on currently? PS, love your energy and content. Thank you so much. What I'm binging on is The Office. बहुत डिले हो चुका है ये. बहुत टाइम मैंने पता है ऑफिस देखने की कोशिश की ओवर द इयर्स, क्योंकि यू नो तुम फ्रेंड्स से सुनते हो बहुत अच्छा है देख, पर मैं पहले एपिसोड के 10 मिनट के आगे कभी बढ़ ही नहीं पाती थी. आई वाज लाइक व्हाट इज दिस अनोइंग शो, बिकॉज इट इज़ क्वाइट अनोइंग द फर्स्ट फ्यू व्हाटएवर मिनट्स. देन मैंने 3-4 बार कोशिश की और मैं 10 मिनट के बाद बंद कर देती थी शो एंड आई वुड मूव ऑन टू वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स. बट दिस टाइम व्हाट आई डिड इज आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम एपिसोड 4. पिछले महीने ही मैंने शुरू किया आई थिंक, and then I finally got hooked to it and now I'm on season 4, so that's what I'm binging right now. And otherwise I literally binge watch Friends all the time. मतलब जब मुझे सोचता नहीं क्या देखूँ, Friends is the answer. Vesh0228 says, how to handle the pressure of everything changing after marriage. I have not yet experienced this, so I am not at all a fit person to answer this question. I think ये सारी चीज़ें experience के साथ ही समझती है. तो yeah, मुझे नहीं पता how does that feel. I'm sorry, I can't answer this. अथर्व म्हात्रे 44 says, next haircut vlog कब है? So I did not plan anything as such, but मेरा प्लान था कि जब मेरे पर्पल फेड हो जाए तो मेरा प्लान था I was going to chop it off. बट देन आई हैड अ फ्रेंड्स वेडिंग टू अटेंड. ठीक है, नवंबर में मुझे उसकी शादी में से छोटे बालों के साथ नहीं जाना था, सो आई जस्ट कलर्ड देम बैक टू ब्लैक. बट आई थिंक आफ्टर अ वेडिंग, मतलब ऐसे मैंने सोचा था कि मैं काटूंगी, अब देखते तब मेरा मूड रहा. यानी ऑल दीज थिंग्स डिपेंड अ लॉट ऑन हाउ आई एम फीलिंग. लाइक एम आई feeling short hair right now? That's not a grammatically correct sentence, but you know what I'm saying. So let's see. अभी कुछ decided नहीं है. Shweta_238 का सवाल है, whatever should I do if I'm jealous of my best friend and for like many reasons and we always fight? Okay, पहले तो what makes you call this person your best friend? ये realization या ये सीख तो मुझे ही अपने late 20s and early 30s में आई है कि हमें ना ऐसे tags हम लोग सुनते हैं ना, oh this one calls this person their best friend, so I should also have one. But what are the reasons you have tagged this person as your best friend? Are they for the right reasons? तो ये सबसे पहले that is your step 1. Step 2, यार fights तो सब में ही होती है. You fight with literally your parents, तुम्हारे siblings में fights होती है, friends में भी हो सकती है. But of course depends on किस तरीके की fights है, क्या intensity है. If there is a mismatch of personality, if तुम और वो बहुत ही अलग लोग हैं और उस रीज़न से तुम्हारे फाइट्स होते हैं, तो देन वो इन द लॉन्ग रन सॉल्व होना बहुत मुश्किल है. अगर ऑफकोर्स यू लव ईच अदर अ लॉट एंड देन यू हैव सम डिसएग्रीमेंट्स व्हिच यू आर्ग्यू ओवर, वेरी नॉर्मल, हैपेंस विद एवरीबडी. सो दैट्स वन थिंग. And feeling jealous, I'll tell you something. I read something recently about feeling jealous which I loved, so I want to share it here. मैं Instagram पे भी story share कर चुकी थी कि जब तुम किसी से jealous feel करते हो या you envy somebody, what that jealousy or envy is trying to tell you is they have something that you don't have. So identify what that something is so that you can start working towards getting it. So you don't waste your time feeling jealous. Isn't that so amazing? So ऐसा कहा जाता है कि हमारे जो सारे emotions हम feel करते हैं, positive, negative, they are for a reason. Our emotions are like trying to tell us something, trying to communicate something. हम लोग बहुत बार negative emotions को ऐसे दबा देते हैं, discard कर देते हैं कि नहीं, oh it's a bad thing to feel. But actually those negative emotions are also trying to gain your attention to point towards something that you should focus in your life. So I feel this is a great thing. Like, get aware कि तुम उससे क्यों jealous हो, क्या है वो चीज़, and start working on that for yourself. Suru says, if you could change one thing that happened in your life, what could it be? Wow. यार ऐसे randomly तो बहुत बार thought आता है कि see, to be honest, इसके पहले मुझे ऐसे कभी मन नहीं किया to change something about my life. But since I started dealing with the whole anxiety disorder, मुझे ऐसे बहुत बार लगा कि I wish यार this hadn't happened. Like the carefreeness that I felt before I encountered it, मैं उस level की carefree बाद में हो ही नहीं पाई हूँ जब से I encountered anxiety disorder. तो ऐसा एक थॉट आता था हमेशा कि आई विश ये नहीं हुआ होता, बट उसकी वजह से जो लेसन्स और लर्निंग्स मिली है ना इन द पास्ट 2 years, लाइक आई हैव लर्न सम invaluable lessons because of it, okay, which I'm sure are going to help me ahead in life. So I think कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है सोच के कि नहीं हुआ होता, हुआ किसी reason से. I was meant to face certain circumstances, see certain situations in life and get some learnings out of it, which I did. So fair enough. Sanu Chavan 07 says, can you tell your subscribers about the deepest, darkest secret of your life? No. Why will I tell you guys about it if it's so dark? No, I can't, Sanu. I'm sorry. I'm too excited talking to you. My question is, how are you always happy? Second, who is your inspiration? darkshine._ ने सवाल पूछा है. पहले तो I'm not always happy, ये मैं पहले वाले वीडियोस में भी बोल चुकी हूँ. What you guys see is literally not even 1/10, 100th. I don't know, मैं शूट करती हूँ 1 घंटे के लिए पूरे दिन में. Okay, so it's 1/24th of my day. You guys see literally 1% of my life on YouTube, जिसमें I am energetic because I love doing this work, but मैं पूरे टाइम खुश नहीं रहती हूँ. Come and spend 24 hours with me, you'll know. And second, who's my inspiration? A lot of people. I can't think of one person, but I feel inspired by a lot of women जिनकी मैं बातें सुनती हूँ. One woman who I have been hooked to in the past few months actually पिछले साल से is a woman called Louise Hay. You guys should go just Google her or YouTube पे उनके talks ढूंढो. Beautiful stuff that she's a best-selling author, ठीक है. Also talks about the law of attraction and healing yourself and all of that. Beautiful. So she's somebody that whose talks I have been like binging in the last 1 year. निधि तोमार ने पूछा है शेयर योर लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस दैट चेंज्ड योर माइंड और लाइफ कंप्लीटली. यू आर सच अ लवली गर्ल. द वे यू लाफ इज लव. थैंक यू निधि. A life experience that changed my mind and life completely. So see, there is not one experience, but there was a set of experience जो एक के बाद एक हुए, which bring a change in any person. तो I think मेरे लिए वो साल था 2015 when some really like shocking things happened for me, like for me to take in life. So after that, so I think if I look back on my life, I was a different person before 2015 and I am a different person in the last 6 years, and of course you're ever changing and ever evolving. If you ask me, तो मैं जो 2015 में थी उससे बहुत अलग हूँ अभी in 21. So तुम्हारी learning and changing and evolving तो I think throughout your life रहेगी, but I think that was 1 year. That year बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हुई that took a toll on me emotionally. One of it was my ex getting married. Yeah. And then just like experiencing bad people at work, bad people in life, some bad roommates, and yeah, just personal life stuff. So सारी चीज़ें से एक साथ हो जाती है तब you really feel shook from inside. So I think that was that. Couple talks कह रही है कधी मम्मीच्या पर्समधून पैसे चोरलेस का? To be very honest, I must have done it like गिनती के 3-4 बार. I would never, like I don't know, I have this thing that I have to tell. So even as a kid, whenever I would take any money from my mom's purse, I would go and tell I've taken 100, 150, 200, whatever. बिल्कुल रेयर केस में से एक आध बार हुआ होगा कि ऐसे 2-3 दिन कंटिन्यूस ले लिया, अब तीसरे दिन चौथे दिन मांगने में शर्म आ रही है तो ऐसे 50 I've taken, and that too I would never be like whatever, like yeah, I don't like doing that stuff. So no, rarely. Genie.23 says your dating experiences include the weirdest and funniest. Oh my god, I have so many, Genie. यार मतलब वो weird और funny, मतलब वो awkward वाली dates होती है ना. I remember this was 3 years ago. I had met somebody from a dating app, and क्या हुआ उस वक्त ना मुझ में ऐसे बहुत chat करने का ना patience नहीं बचा था. So what I would do is like एक आध दो chat के बाद I would say let's just meet, so that in that meeting only you figure out what kind of a person that person is. पर उसका एक बहुत बड़ा drawback है कि you don't know if this person is going to be interesting or not. So एक बंदे से मैंने chat किया थोड़ा 2 दिन, and then we decided to meet. The blunder I did was I agreed to meet over dinner. पहले उस दिन से मेरा लर्निंग रहा है फर्स्ट मीटअप कॉफी, अनलेस यू हैड लाइक रियली अमेजिंग चैट्स एंड यू नो यू गोना हैव फन एंड अ ग्रेट टाइम. सो आई हैडंट चैटेड सो मच. मैं जानती नहीं थी इस बंदे को, एंड आई अग्री टू गो ऑन डिनर एंड आई वाज yawning like this person is I'm sorry but it just wasn't interesting. It's so boring and he was talking and I'm yawning like, and I also don't want to be rude, right? सब लाइक ऐसे मुंह के अंदर यॉन कर रही हूँ मैं, नीचे से घड़ी देख रही हूँ मेरी कि कितना बज रहा है. द डिनर इज नॉट गेटिंग ओवर ओनली, एंड आई पता नहीं, आई एम लाइक दैट. आई कांट बी लाइक ऐसे एकदम इन योर फेस रूड टू पीपल. सो आई विल ट्राई एंड कीप इट ऑल नाइस एंड पोलाइट, एंड लेटर टेक्स्ट पे आई टेल देम इफ इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट. बट उसके बाद डिनर खत्म हुआ एंड आई वाज जस्ट वेटिंग कि ये कब खत्म है. आई रन बैक होम एंड आई वाज इन बैंड्रा, ओके, लिव इन अंधेरी. सो मैं आने वाली थी वापस टिल ही सेज शुड वी गेट अ कॉफी आफ्टर डिनर, and I should have declined, but मेरी फ्रेंड्स मुझे ना कहती है you stop being Mother Teresa to boys. So internal ऐसे वॉइस आया कि ठीक है यार ये बंदा, आई थिंक वो भी कहीं दूर से आया था, तो वो भी एक थोड़ा सा गिल्ट, पता नहीं क्यों मुझे लगता है वैसे लगना नहीं चाहिए जब कोई ऐसे बहुत दूर दूर से मिलने के लिए आता है. मुझे इतना बुरा लगता है. I'm like let's just have a coffee man. I thought we'll wrap coffee in half an hour, but that went on for I think 45 to 50 minutes. And I was dying inside, like cursing myself कि मैं क्यों आई हूँ यहाँ. So very rarely actually मुझे लाइफ में ऐसी boring dates मिली. I think this was one of those 3 or 4 boring dates I must have gone on. So yeah. Vaishnavi_132 says how are you always so open about everything, so subtle and clear. Everyone should learn from you. That is very sweet of you. So open about everything, yaar. Maybe that's because I am an extrovert. Maybe that's one of the reasons. And I've been pretty okay with being open about my life since I remember. मतलब मैं बचपन से ही ऐसी हूँ school days से. So I've never been somebody like ये छुपा के रखना है वो छुपा के रखना है. I mean I'll open up till the point of time I feel comfortable. not like everybody knows everything. There are too many things that a lot of people don't know. So yeah, and so subtle and clear, I don't know what you mean by that. I mean, you might perceive that I am like clear from the outside, but I'm pretty sure I have my own things going on in my head. So yeah, I'm not sure about that, but thank you, Vaishnavi. Sigma_bird says, dream to see your wedding vlogs. When will it happen? You guys and somebody else also. Yeah, this was Mehak Sawant, eager to see you with a nice, tall, dark, handsome guy. यार fall in love ना, come on. मतलब ऐसे fall in love ना, come on थोड़ी ना होता है, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. And you guys are like more excited than me for me to find somebody and get married, which is very cute. बट नहीं हो रहा है, अभी तक नहीं मिला है कोई जिसको देखकर ऐसे वो दिल तो पागल है कि सीटी बजे, यू नो. सो दैट मोमेंट हैजंट कम इन माय लाइफ. Oh, another one about a relationship. A lady with Grace says, I'm 23. I already feel I'm single, and when will I find the love of my life? Do you feel like time is running out for finding love? Yaar, how at 23 are you thinking this? Are you kidding me? You have... Okay, I have had these moments, of course. I would be lying if I say I wouldn't. मतलब ऐसे suddenly सुबह उठकर, you know, where you wake up with this fear that, oh my god, am I going to be alone all my life? ये सब मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. I think it typically happened in my late 20s or when I was touching 30, because I was seeing a lot of my friends getting married फट से एकदम, like बहुत time सब single थे and suddenly everybody got married एक साथ. So तब मेरे साथ हुआ होगा, but you just realize in life as you grow, you know. I think हमारे late teens and early 20s में ना हमारा focus is on relationships a little too much. ये मैंने मेरी लाइफ से सीखा है कि हमारा और किसी चीज़ में कोई इंटरेस्ट, उनको कोई इंपॉर्टेंस ही नहीं होता है जितना हम, you know, एक लड़का या लड़की के पीछे या एक रिलेशनशिप के पीछे डालते हैं, which is ridiculous. Because the quality of your life is going to be defined by different areas of your life and not just one thing. Just being in a relationship is not going to make you happy. And ये चीज़ ना कुछ साल गुजरने के बाद ही पता चलती है. And especially ये रियलाइजेशन मुझे अभी इसलिए भी आ रहा है क्योंकि मैं मेरे बहुत सारे मैरिड फ्रेंड्स को देखती हूँ. A lot of them who've been married for quite a few years, क्योंकि उनकी शादी तब हो गई थी when they were 25. So they've been married for 7 years now. And you realize when you talk to them, see them, that just finding a person and getting married isn't the answer to all your problems. ऐसे हमको लगता है when we are single, but that's not true. फिर दूसरी problems आती है. So life is about a lot of things, yeah. Your health, how you're feeling mentally, finances, career, having a purpose in your life, your family life, your social circle, your friends, and a relationship. So it's a combination of all these things. So I think till you remember that, you will be फाइन. एक आध बार ये ख्याल आना कि यार मुझे कोई मिलेगा कि नहीं इज़ नॉर्मल, हर एक को आता है. बट योर लाइफ कांट बी जस्ट अबाउट दैट. देयर इज सो मच मोर टू डू. बहुत फिल्मी साउंड करेगा, बट एक बार ये ज़िंदगी तुम्हें मिलती है. वाई वुडंट यू वॉन्ट टू डू सो मच विथ योर लाइफ, राइट? So yeah, full motivational speaker I became for 5 minutes. I'm sorry. Dimple_Fulsunge asks, how does it feel to be in 30s? Does it feel any different यार? मतलब ऐसे मैं उस दिन अपनी मम्मी को actually पूछ रही थी because she just turned 60 this year. I asked her, do you feel 60? And she's like, no. I said, similarly, right? Like people who are younger feel like कुछ ऐसे बहुत drastic change आता होगा as you grow in your life or become a certain age. You don't really feel that age. It's pretty much the same except for you have had a lot of exposure to life, to नए circumstances in your life. So you've had a lot of learnings in your life and बहुत तुम्हारे पर्सपेक्टिव्स चेंज हो जाते हैं. आई थिंक फॉर मी इन माई 30s, आई थिंक माई लेवल ऑफ सेल्फ अवेयरनेस इज ग्रोइंग बाय द डे. आई थिंक आई फील आई नो माई सेल्फ सो मच बेटर देन आई न्यू माई सेल्फ इन ऑल ऑफ माई 20s. लिटरली आई डिड नॉट नो शिट अबाउट माई सेल्फ. सो दैट्स हैपेंड मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंसेस दैट आई हैव एनकाउंटर्ड पिछले कुछ सालों में, और इवन बिकॉज ऑफ माई इंटरेस्ट, बिकॉज मैं हमेशा से बहुत इंटरेस्टेड रही हूँ इन काइंड ऑफ वेलनेस एंड वेल बींग एंड लिविंग अ बैलेंस्ड लाइफ. ये सब चीज़ों में मेरा हमेशा इंटरेस्ट रहा है, इन ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव एवरी सिंगल डे, इन ट्राइंग टू बेटर माई सेल्फ. तो या, दैट्स वन चेंज दैट आई फील. ओके, हार्डली 1 or 2 questions remaining. This one is from Jeff. How come such a nice and polite guy like me is still single? I feel, listen, I'm very mean to Jeff on text because that's how we are as friends, but I feel he's a gem of a person, and sometimes I feel you are single because you're going to find somebody like this amazing person who's, I don't know, lost in the woods or something. Or probably getting divorced from their first marriage. You never know, Jeff. There could be a lot of reasons, but I'm very, very sure you're going to find somebody who's like a great human being and who deserves all the love that you give people, because I've literally seen how much of a giver you are. So yeah, really nice things that I said about Jeff. ऐसे बहुत होता नहीं है, but he's a gem, he's a really sweet guy. And the last one is from Ankita, how to ignore demotivating people. डिपेंड करता है ये लोग कहाँ हैं अंकिता. आर दे एट योर वर्क प्लेस, आर दे योर फ्रेंड्स, आर दे योर फैमिली, बिकॉज अलग अलग स्ट्रैटेजीज हो सकती है देन उनके साथ डील करने में. फैमिली है तो ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू ऑन ट्राइंग टू अवॉइड देम बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग टू बी इन योर फेस ऑल द टाइम. बट या मैन, फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई हु आर दीज पीपल, आर दीज रिलेशनशिप्स दैट इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू. एक चीज़ मुझे समझ गई है in whatever number of years that I've lived कि you don't need this whole negative presence in your life. You know, you don't need people who demotivate you, who pull you down consistently, जिनके presence में तुम्हारी energy तुम्हें down लगती है, जिनके presence में तुम्हें बिल्कुल motivated नहीं लगता. तुम ऐसे लोगों को क्यों रख रहे हो अपनी life में? Ask yourself. Sometimes criticism comes in like heavy amounts from our parents. We can't ignore that fact, but that is how they've also been raised, so that's what they do to us. But uske saath then you have to, you know, you have to basically deal with that thoda smartly. You're not going to abandon your parents and leave them, right? Just like that. तो उसके साथ कैसे डील करना है उसके अलग अलग तरीके हैं. सो मे बी यू आस्क अ स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई ट्राई एंड आंसर दैट. बट या, कीप दैट इन माइंड कि तुम्हारा हाउ यू फील अबाउट योर सेल्फ शुड बी द prime, the most important thing in life, and if anybody is making you feel bad about yourself, you don't need them. That's all. With that, we are at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Q&A. If you're new to my channel and you did enjoy it and you want to watch such stuff in the future, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. And yeah, show me all the love in likes and comments below. And on that note, I'm going to go and see you guys real soon. You take care. Bye bye.